Greetings, great minds, and welcome to this class. So, we want to look at matrix multiplication. So, this can be scalar or matrix multiplication. The difference is scalar multiplication is multiplying a constant with a matrix, while matrix multiplication is multiplying one matrix with another matrix. Of course, they will be equal dimension. It can be 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, both of them. That is when we're talking about matrix multiplication. So, today we want to look at scalar multiplication. So, assuming we are given a matrix A to be equal to, let's say this is 2 minus 3 and 1. We have 0, 1, 1, and we have 5, 2, 1. We are given this 3 by 3 matrix, and we're asked to get 5A. That means 5 times the matrix A. So 5A will be equal to 5 multiplied by the matrix, which is 2 minus 3, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is 0. Then this is 5. This is 2. And this is 1. Then when we multiply, this will give us 5 times 2. This is 5 times 2. Then 5 times 0. Then 5 times 5. This is on the first row. Then on the second row, we have 5 times minus 3. 5 times 1. 5 times 2. This is on the third row. We have 5 times 1. 5 times 1. And then 5 times 1. So this is it. And the final answer will be 5 times 2 is what? 10. 5 times 0, of course, is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Now 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 1 is 5. So this is the result of multiplying 5 times 8. So this is what they call scalar multiplication, where you're multiplying a constant by a matrix. You can practice this one. B is equal to, let's say, 4, 3, 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, 1, 0. And then get 3B. So practice with this. Then see you in the next class.